Hi guys, want to welcome y'all back to the channel. You can see we got the foot tore off the old Cape Horn Yamaha 300. Run into a little issue. I bought this boat used about 2 years ago. I've been running it now for about 2 seasons. And I run across something inside the foot that I feel like was left out by the person that put the previous water pump kit in there. I was real fortunate that we didn't have any issues other than it messing up the water pump housing a little bit, which is what drew my attention to the part that was missing out of this particular lower unit. So I just wanted to share this tip with you guys, so hopefully nobody else has an issue with overheating. I didn't have an issue with overheating, luckily, according to the experts at the Yamaha dealer. But I got all the parts ordered, and we're going to put this thing back together the way it's supposed to be. But I just wanted to show this to you guys real quick, so you don't run across the same issue or have an issue with your Yamaha 300. Everything taken apart here, and I wanted to show you guys the water pump. Of course, I done got all the bolts and everything out. I just stuck it back up here so you guys could see. So this part right here is obviously burnt from the exhaust. There's supposed to be some parts in right here, and this was what was missing. The exhaust port is right here. Comes down from the engine and down through the foot and out the center of the prop right there. But this is what it looks like when that part comes out and it's not put back in like it's supposed to be. All right, these are the 2 little pieces that were missing out of there. You got a little piece of aluminum and a rubber seal right here. I'm gonna show you guys real quick how that goes in there. So you just want to put it where the angle is going up, and it just slides right back down in there. Fits up tight like that right there. And then the rubber piece fits the little bevel right here, goes towards your shaft and goes down there just like that right there. Your water pump and all fits flush right here, and then you got a little bit of preload on your gasket right there, or your seal, whatever you want to call it. There's like a bulkhead that comes across here on my foot extension, and that's going to smash that rubber down, and that's going to keep that exhaust from going up here where it's not supposed to. This is what it's going to look like with the new housing, and that piece in there like it's supposed to be in there to keep that exhaust from going up there. It's going to keep this housing protected, and it's not going to burn out like the last one did. We're going to get this old Yamaha 300 put back together. I hope this tip helps somebody out and they don't make the same mistake. Thank y'all again for watching, and we finna get ready to go fishing. Y'all stay tuned.